So we're pretty fortunate here to have a rather easy number of cells, colonies to count. And I'll show you a little trick that you can use to count these. Just like before, we have labeled the agar side of the petri dish. So on the left-hand side here, this is the lid. On the right-hand side has the agar. And that's the side you always want to keep your labels on because these can become detached and you might lose track of which lid goes to which plate. Also, the lid can spin relative to the agar, and so if you label anything with respect to where a cell is, you don't want to label the part that can be detached from the agar side. So if you're counting these, it's easy to kind of dot them as you locate them. If you have a lot of colonies to count, you can divide your plate up into sectors, say 4 quadrats or something. If you have a whole bunch and you can still count them, but you don't want to count 1,000 numbers in one day, you can divide it into quadrats and count a representative fourth of that and multiply it by 4. So we're just going to count the ones that we can see here. I'll just show you the dotting then. It's a little hard to do with the camera on. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And so the dot keeps track of where I've been. So if I lose track of where I've been, I can see that the dots are the places I've already counted. Losing track of the number, that can be a problem if you want. Sometimes people like to quadrant, like draw a shape around. I've already counted 10 of those, and I'm going to draw a portion that's 10. I've already counted. If you want, you can make a note on a side sheet of paper the places where you've already counted. But this one's very doable. I can count this pretty easily. So I'll turn off the camera and do that.